In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change color dragon in King Legacy. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In King's Legacy, you will be able to change the color of your dragon and customize it to various different colors. All that you have to do is on the starting island or the second sea, you need to find and talk to the Nishi NPC. I recommend doing it on the starter island. You will spawn here and all that you have to do is go over to the left and then on this yellow brick house, you will be able to find Nishi standing here. Once you click to interact with Nishi, this is what they have to say. Do you want a random dinosaur appearance for 2 gems or dragon appearance for 10 gems? And all that you have to do is choose the option 10 gems. Now, my character does not have the necessary amount of gems, but if you do, you will be able to change the color of your dragon. So she is going to allow you to reroll your dino appearance like I mentioned for 2 gems or the dragon color for 10 gems. You will be able to get different colors depending on the rarity. So the pink dragon is the easiest to get, the magma color dragon is the rarest one, and the rainbow dragon is even rarer. So all that you have to do is choose the option to change the dragon color and then reroll until you get the appearance that you like. It is completely random, so to my knowledge there is nothing that you can do to improve your odds. You just go over here, you choose the option to spend gems, and you will see if you acquired the dragon that you wanted. If you need gems, you will be able to get them from the shop and other sources. So as you can see, you can purchase gems for Robux, and once you have the necessary amount of gems, you just have to do what I mentioned. So go over here on the first sea or the starter island and talk to Nishi, or go over to the second sea, and you should also be able to find the NPC in there as well. Click to interact and then spend 10 gems to change your dragon color. I hope I was able to help you on how to change color dragon in King Legacy. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.